Comrades, we have a new name for the next side. What we call them? Copycats. Everywhere we go, them follow we up. Copycat. 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 Yeah, man, the new name for the labor right them. Mark G. I the leader, you know. You're the follower. You man. The whole Jamaica see walk one. Everywhere you go, them follow you. If you say D, I D them all say. How them a follow them so? Labor right party, them no stop follow we. Everything we do, them want do that. Aye. Labor right party, tell them days done. Tell them time come, tell them pack up and run. Them a copycat. When that name copycat. When that name copycat. Aye boy. Them thief with songs so we give them the soca. Them a copycat. When you see them tell them copycatty. Liberate party. Copycatty. Liberate party. Them a copycatty. Liberate party. Them a copycatty. Liberate party. Aye boy. Boy, Father Market G. I know say you're a real leader, you know. And you tell them about the free port, you know. And them run with it. Father Mark, you tell them say you're born, yeah. And them take it and run with it. Everything you do, them follow. How them a follow we up some man? Them a copycat, yeah. So when you see them, what you call them? Copycat. Labor Red Party, mash up this country, and not try blame Market G. Labor Red Party, them rap with so long, but tell them time come, them fi pack up and run. Them no hear time come, tell them say fi run. Market G come, Jamaica, them a sell out Melania, them dash how we come.